A civil authority has issued civil danger warning for the following counties or areas: Travis, Williamson, Hayes, Texas, at 4:22 p.m. on May 17, 2026, effective until 4:22 am May 18, 2026. Austin PD. Shelter in place inside these four major roadways: South Slaughter LN, East McKinney Falls PKWY, North Ben White BLED, West Escarpment BLED, due to ongoing law enforcement incident. Effective until further notice. Visit Austin Police social media X, FB, IG, for updates and to stay informed.
A civil authority has issued civil danger warning for the following counties or areas: Travis, Williamson, Hayes, Texas, at 4:43 p.m. on May 17, 2026, effective until 6:43 p.m. Austin Police. Shelter in place lifted for City of Austin. Suspects are now east of Austin city limits. Visit Austin Police social media, X, Facebook, and G, for updates.
A civil authority has issued shelter-in-place warning for the following counties or areas: Travis, Texas, at 6:40 p.m. on May 17, 2026, effective until 10:40 p.m. Travis County Sheriff's Office. Law enforcement activity in Manor, Texas area between US 290, Old Kimbrough RD, Greg Manor RD, Waddy Ark RD. Stay indoors until further notice.